Here I will tell you about the sorting. Sorting is the topic of class 1 mathematics. Here I will tell that what is sorting. So here you have to separate all the things. Means whatever is similar, looking similar to each other. So one by one we have to separate all the things. This is called the sorting. For example, you can say that if you have a balls of a green color and white color, so if you will separate all green color ball in one basket and white color ball in one basket, then it will be called the sorting. In the same way, we will here do the sorting of the shapes for just like triangle, rectangle, square, circle, like this. We will do the sorting for that. Here we can see that we have two different kind of the shape. Some are circle, some are squares. So putting these circles in one group and putting these squares in one group, this kind of the separation is called sorting. We will also see one more example. In this example we can see that we have three different kind of the shape: triangle, circle and square. So we will put triangle in one group, these circles in one group and these squares in one group. So every time whenever we have different kind of the shape, we have to recognize the shapes and separate them in a group. So this kind of the separation will be called sorting.
Hello everyone, today I am going to explain about rolling and sliding. Rolling means if an object move just like a ball, okay, so it is called rolling. And if an object is slide, okay, without changing the surface, it is called sliding. In this diagram you can see that this ball like structure is moving on its surface. This is called rolling. And when an object moves means slide means that without changing the part of its surface, same part is touched with the surface and it is moving from one place to other place, then it is called sliding.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.